Welcome to Soft Speak's Camp Kitchen. We're back camping and cooking, this time with our cast iron Dutch ovens, and I'm in the mood for a breakfast casserole. I've got the kettle going, boiling some chopped potatoes. These will be used for our breakfast casserole tomorrow morning. There's nothing like a campfire to take the chill off. Alright, we got our charcoal firing. Once the coals are ready, we'll start warming up the Dutch oven. Our ingredients are half an onion chopped, a quarter of a red bell pepper minced. Use whatever pepper you like. I prefer the red bell peppers. Summer sausage cut into bite-sized pieces. These are leftovers from last night's dinner. Some shredded, easy-melting cheese. We will also add a blend of cheeses. Add 2 potatoes, chopped and parboiled, to make them cook faster and also to make them crispier. We will also add a topping of fresh chopped chives. I pre-oiled the Dutch oven to prevent sticking. We'll start with half a package of bacon that's been sliced in half to fit in the Dutch oven better. Now I'm going to take these pieces of bacon and I'm going to fill the bottom of the Dutch oven. Alright, now when these are cooked, we'll just continue to add more bacon until all of it's been cooked. Now we want to get our bacon crispy so that we can crumble it up and then add it as a topping at the end of the cooking time. While the bacon is cooking, I have my other ingredients ready. I have 3 eggs beaten well. I have some kosher salt. I have some finely ground black pepper. And I have some chicken seasoning. This stuff is great on almost everything. I love the smell of bacon cooking. We're almost done. Now that the bacon is done, we'll start softening the veggies, in the bacon grease, of course. And now for a little seasoning. We just want to soften them up a little. Next, we add some salt. Give a little stir. All right, now we're going to add some protein to the pot. When you stir, you want to fold the ingredients at this point to keep the potatoes intact and to allow them to crisp up. I have my own seasoning I like to use for my potatoes, which I'm adding now to the casserole. My seasoning is basically garlic powder, granulated onion, and thyme. I'm going to fold that in until it's well mixed. Everything is cooked and mixed well, so it's time to add the remaining ingredients. First, we add the eggs, then we add the easy melting cheese. Next, we add the cheese blend. This will add some character to the casserole. Lastly, we top with bacon bits from the bacon that I had cooked earlier. The topping should be a cheesy, bacony flavor. Think baked potato. I should have brought some sour cream. That would have added a little something extra to the casserole. Oh well. Oh yeah, we can't forget the chopped chives. Yum. Alright, every 5 minutes or so, you want to rotate the Dutch oven and spin its lid for more even cooking. We're going to let the casserole cook for a little while until the eggs are set. It's looking almost done. And now for the big reveal. It looks and smells amazing. It also looks very hot. And there you have it, another version of the breakfast casserole, or Mountain Man if you prefer. It has everything you need to get a good start to your day. you.